In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Flow Veo 3. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reach the Veo 3.1 model options and prepare a prompt for video generation, all within Google's Flow interface. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Google Flow. In the results, look for the official Google page for Flow. It should clearly reference Google's creative tools and not a third-party service. Open that link to land on the Flow homepage. If you plan to use this often, consider bookmarking it for quick access later. On the homepage, find and click the button labeled Create with Flow. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that with your Google account. Once you're in, look for the New Project button and click it. This opens the creative interface where you'll set up your idea. In the main workspace, you'll see a text prompt area. Type a clear description of the scene you want to create. Be specific about the subject, the action, and the style. You can include helpful details like lighting, camera movement, environment, or mood. For example, you might mention close-up versus wide shot, time of day, or a cinematic tone. Keep sentences concise and focused so the model understands your intent. Inside that same prompt box, there's a model selector. It may be set by default to something like Nano Banana 2, which is a lighter model. Click that model name to open the selector. We're going to switch to the video-focused path, so this step is important before you generate anything. Next, click the video option. This ensures you're working in the video domain rather than images or other outputs. After selecting video, the model drop-down should update to show the latest options. You should now see Veo 3.1 available, typically with two choices: fast and quality. Choose fast if you want quicker results for rapid iteration, drafts, or testing variations. Choose quality if you prioritize detail, coherence, and overall fidelity, and you don't mind a slightly longer processing time. Pick the one that fits your goal for this project. When you're happy with your prompt and model selection, click the Next button. This moves you into the next stage with your settings locked in, so double-check that the prompt reflects your vision and the correct Veo 3.1 option is selected. That's it. You've accessed Google Flow, entered your scene description, switched to video, selected Veo 3.1, and continued to the next screen to proceed with your creation.